6, standardized testing in Alabama will not be canceled because of the pandemic this year. Some students, in fact, started taking that test last week. Others are taking tests today. WAAY 31's Alex Torres Perez spoke with the state superintendent about why this year's test is more crucial than ever before.
It's been a challenging year for students and teachers, with classes either being moved online or students coming back to the classroom in smaller groups. With masking and social distancing in place, the state superintendent says he hopes this year's test gives them a look at how all these changes impacted your kids' education.
It's very important that we get a solid baseline foundational data for our students and where they are performing. And we believe that it's important to gather that data this year more than ever.
State Superintendent Dr. Eric Mackey says they're working to see how big the COVID learning gap really is. So far, he's seen some unfinished learning where students didn't get to finish last year's lesson plans during the current school year. But he knows the impact goes beyond that. That's why they're planning other assessments in the summer and fall to figure out where gaps exist. School districts across the state are also working on their own plan to close the learning gap.
What we're asking is for each district to look at their community and trying to understand where they are and what they need to be doing going forward.
Some districts have already announced some of their plans. For example, Birmingham City Schools is trying to revise their school calendar to start the school year earlier to prevent a bigger gap. Madison City Schools says it's using federal funding to add more summer reading and math programs to address the problem.
That plan is going to look different in other parts of the state.
But Dr. Mackey says all schools' 30-month plans will have the same goal:
to move forward, to accelerate learning, and to get us back on track.
School districts have until June 1st to submit their plans to the state. Reporting in Huntsville, Alex Torres Perez, WAAY 31 News.